course, guess who? Talking the global digital stage by storm and talagang redefining P-pop, may dalawang incredible groups na finally coming to Weverse. The first ever Filipino artist to enter the Spotify Global Top Artist chart. The first ever Southeast Asia artist to enter the Weverse. Kanya-kanyang hula na nga ang mga fans. Pero syempre, say nga ng netizen, hindi pa ba obvious na ang Mahalima yan kahit sa malayo lang, kahit nakatalikod, makikilala natin sila. Wala nang iba, sino pa ba? Basta kilala ko na yan kung sino yan sila, hahaha. Eto pa mula kay ABS-CBN MJ Felipe. This is just in, Weverse, a global fandom platform, announced that they are about to welcome two of the biggest P-pop acts. The official announcement will be tomorrow, March 12. Well, parang girl group yung isa, possible kaya na BINI ito? Well, obviously, malamang sa malamang ay ang SB19 at ang BINI nga ang i-announce ngayong darating na March 12 ng Weverse, kung saan sinabi nga ng ABS-CBN na mula kay MJ Felipe, Weverse, a global fandom platform, announced that they are about to welcome two of the biggest P-pop acts. The official announcement will be on Thursday, March 12. Well, alam nyo ba na mas lalakas ang puwersa kapag kayo ay nag-unite? Mula kay Colette na hindi nag-smile, the debut of BINI and SB19 on Weverse. Yes, bukas na nga madanaman kung sino nga ba ang i-welcome ng Weverse na kung saan ay nagbigay naman na sila ng hint. Pero obviously, it's SB19 and BINI nga ang nasabi nga pong nakapost. Well, may nagtanong po na isang fan kung what is Weverse. Sinagot naman ito ng isa at sinabing platform po na ginagamit ng mga K-pop group tas ibang mga global artists. Global fan platform po ang Weverse. Ibig sabihin, ito po ay international na, kaya naman kapag ka napasok ka rito, maraming mga casual or ang mga foreigner na makakakita sa iyo, kaya mas lalawak yung pagkakakilanlan mo bilang isang grupo. Para mas malinaw, narito po. Weverse is a South Korean mobile app and web platform created by South Korean entertainment company HYBE Corporation. The app specializes in hosting multimedia content, the sale of artist-related merchandise, content, subscription, and artist-to-fan communications for artists. Weverse hosts a variety of free and paid content including educational and entertainment videos, Instagram story, style updates, and artist-to-fan interactions and communities for users to connect with each other. The app is also used to publish official statements by HYBE, formerly Big Hit Entertainment, on behalf of artists signed with its labels. The software was developed by HYBE's technology subsidiary Weverse Company, formerly BNX. As of 2023, Weverse has over 10 million monthly users. Congratulations SB19 and BINI. Wala pa mang official na confirmation pero obvious naman na sila na nga ito. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.